What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing well, man. But yeah, today we might hit a car meet later on. I'm still thinking about it, mainly because it's like an hour and a half away. That's like an hour and 20 minutes to LA, so I'm pretty far from LA, so it kind of sucks because that's where most of the car meets are at. But besides that, because it is pretty gloomy, I don't know if you guys can really tell. It's pretty dark out. It was raining all last night and this morning, and it kind of stopped, but it seems like it's gonna rain again. And if you guys look down here, I can't really drive this car in the rain. So yeah, I need to get another set of tires so I can drive like when it's raining and stuff, or another set of wheels so I can swap them over and drive when it's raining. But anyways, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I used to have a logo. It was the AU logo. I'll show you guys what it looks like. AU. And a while ago, I took it off my videos. I used to put it in one of the corners of the videos, I think. And then it used to be like in my outro. I took it off a little while ago because although I really like the way it looks, I think it looks pretty cool, you know. It's like the M stripes. Obviously my name, Anthony Ulloa. But I never liked the fact that it looks pretty much the same as Finding Nick's logo. I'm pretty sure he had it before I put it on my car, or before I made it on Photoshop or whatever. I ended up taking off the videos, and yeah, I never took it off the car, but I've been meaning to take it off the car for a little while now, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off real quick. So yeah guys, I got some soap with water right here, and I got this blade right there, and pretty much we're gonna go ahead and take off. Oh shit, I don't know if this is open all the way. There you go. Pretty much we're gonna go ahead and take off the logo today. So put some soap on there so you can scrape it on the Red Bull, because I'm feeling pretty tired, to be honest. These gloomy days, man, I just want to stay in. But yeah, it's coming off, man. I really like this logo, to be honest. I think it looks pretty sick. But like I said, I never liked the fact that it looks the same as Finding Nick's. And I'm not trying to copy the homie Finding Nick, you know what I mean? Probably doesn't even know who I am, but regardless, I'm not trying to copy his shit, so we're gonna take it off, man. There goes the decals. So the AU and my Instagram are gone. It looks pretty clean, to be honest. Yeah, it looks kind of weird because I'm so used to having it on there, but yeah, that's a new look. Not really a big difference. I've been meaning to take those off, so I don't want to take them off already. But honestly, it looks kind of cool with the stickers on there. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this side, and then we'll go from there, guys. So yeah, let me take these off real quick. That's it, man. They're gone. Now the car's gonna be up for sale. Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, I think it looks a lot cleaner like that. And now people don't know my Instagram. It doesn't make a big difference, but yeah, I think this is a cleaner look. And like I said, I just want to get rid of the AU because I don't want people to think I'm copying Finding Nick or something. So anyways, I'll hopefully catch you guys if I do pull up to the car meet. My homie Dan, you guys have seen him in some videos. He's telling me to go, so I do want to go. It's just a long drive, and then hopefully it doesn't rain, because if it does, shit, I'm not gonna be able to drive this thing. But so yeah, I'll just pick up the camera again once I'm on my way, or if I do pull up. So catch you guys then. Alright guys, we're at the gas station right now. We're on our way to Dan's house. I gotta fill up real quick. This shit doesn't even work. But yeah, I'm on my way to Dan's house right now, and then from Dan's house we're gonna pull up to the actual car meet. But yeah, just a little update. We're about to see how much this shit fills up with. I do a mix of E85, so I do E30. So I pumped like 16 bucks, I think, of E85. So it was only 5.7 gallons. And then the rest I just pump in 91. Ah, hell no. But yeah. I don't know if you guys can see the tires. These are slick though. I felt it slip a little bit on the freeway, but we good. We aight. Man, it's just dirty. I don't know why I brought it to the car like this. Oh, hell no. That's embarrassing. I'm gonna just go back home. Alright guys, 77 bucks plus the 15 or 16 bucks that I pumped of the 85. So About like 90 bucks, 92. But yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and pull up to Dan's house right now. I should be like 15 minutes away. And then from there, we're gonna pull up to the Carmeet. So I'll catch you guys once we're either at Dan's house or the Carmeet. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we just pulled up to Dan's. You guys can see his M6 over there. We still got a 30-minute drive. Where's she gonna focus? We still got a 30-minute drive. So ain't as long as drive, but we're about to pull up over there. Oh, it's focus. Yeah, we're about to go over there, and I guess I'll pick up the camera once we get there. But shit, it's a long drive. Hopefully it was worth it. But we're about to see right now. 30 more minutes. Man, of course I'm gonna need to add a quart of oil today, out of all days. We were on the way to the meet, but we're gonna stop by an AutoZone or something so we can find some oil. So hopefully they have some. If not, that's just gonna suck. Hopefully AutoZone has the oil we need. If not, I'm gonna have to look for it until we find it, but we'll see, man.
Is it slipping right now, the car?
Nah, not really.
No.
Actually squeaky.
I left the camera on the car.
Which one do you use?
W40.
Which one is it? Oh, right here. 12 bucks? Damn.
This shit.
You use STP?
What's the price?
Oh, damn.
That's what I have in the car right now. Same shit.
Mm.
When I do an oil change, I'll use like good shit, but when it's just like refill.
Shit. Well, I already put some of this, that's why. Oh fuck, it stinks in here now. McLaren. Oh, that shit looks crazy. I'm pretty sure some guy came out saying he was gonna block exits. Damn, shit was crazy, man. We just got here. Where we going?
Somewhere outside.
Dan's getting an audience. This little truck just pulled up over in the back. We just got out of the parking structure and we parked outside, that way in case cops comes we can just drive away. But
Everybody's running now.
oh, I'm back down. Shit looks clean. Oh look, F90 and 5. Is it? Yeah. Oh, it is there. Another F10 and 5. And all black, carbon hood. This looks sick.
Color too.
Yeah, it's a clean ass color. A little testy making noise. Oh, it's the new M2. That looks clean. Bro, I kind of like the yellow headlights. The yellow daytime running lights. X5 or X7?
5, 10.
This looks clean. Now these two stock cars. Alright guys, so we just made it home. It's currently 1:35 in the morning. I don't know how I made it home, man. It started pouring out of nowhere. I was going like 50 miles an hour on the freeway. because obviously you guys see my tires. But yeah, thankfully we made it home. I gotta look at the footage and see exactly what I recorded, because when we were in the parking structure, man, I was trying to get out because they were calling the cops and stuff, and they were just holding up the line to get out. So next time I'm just gonna park outside and then walk in so I can record more. But yeah, guys, it was a cool turnout. Shout out to the homie Dan. He was making sure I got home safe because he's from LA, so he lives up there. But I had a long drive back home. So yeah, guys, thankfully we're home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I gotta check it out, see exactly what I recorded, but hopefully it turned out cool. And yeah, anyways, guys, like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.